Welcome to DaTo. Today we are going to do live demo with Land Rover 2012 model car. First I am clicking on Diagnose icon, and wait for the moment, and I find Land Rover icon, so click on that. Before click on icon I need to connect with vehicle by VCI box. Now I will click on automatically button to do automatically scanning. I also can do manually, but for now I am gonna do in automatic mode for quick response. You can see vehicle is correct, then click on yes button. We can see for diagnose method, but I would select health report. After scanning I can see the faults. I click on ECM faults to show you for instance. Now I can see the car faults. I just click on the print icon, to save car diagnose report as PDF. I will show you how to read your PDF. Just click on data icon, and you can see PDF view icon, and now click on the PDF file. Now you can see the diagnose report of Land Rover car. To know all feature and specification about DaTo DAS-722, just click on the link as I mentioned in description, or you can contact us on our website, www.datotech.de. Thanks for watching.